Hi friends, today I've got a complaint of Casio CT9000X, and customer says that all the keys are giving a random issues, like different kind of tones are coming on the keys. So let's see what's the problem in that. I hope that it could be a software related issues or maybe so hardware related issues. Let's see. First we'll go through the software related issue, but before that I would like to show you the exactly what kind of a problem it has. So let's see. So really it has got a something weird problem. Let's see how to resolve this one. And I feel it could be a problem of a software related issues. Okay. Pen drive. Make sure that you copy the same file, the main upgrade file, to the directory as well. And safely eject the pen drive. So now I have inserted that software into this pen drive. So what I'm going to do is to use this into the USB slot. Here it is. And what I'm going to do is this one, the version CTX 90107, then you have to press yes, okay, enter, yes, and it starts writing. It might take almost 15 to 20 minutes, it depends. So I'll keep showing you in between because it will take a long time. So now the software is completed and we are going to see whether it works or not. Let me see this. Yeah, it's working very fine.